in history. Any rational person looking at this chart will see a very steep correction incoming and is maybe overdue. I would actually agree with this.
How dare you?
But even in the bull run of 2017, we had very steep retracements at times, so keep that in mind. The thing I do want to get into is just how impressive this run actually is and what implications, if any, this has. Spoiler, there's quite a few. Timestamps are below. First, let's talk about the fear of missing out. With Bitcoin less than 25% away from reaching fresh all-time highs, you'd imagine the masses must be pretty much frothing at the mouth right now. As Bitcoin surges, Google searches suggest little FOMO among retail investors. One of the first things people entering or re-entering the crypto markets will do is first research it. Whether it's searching Bitcoin's price or just Bitcoin, around 10 times less people are doing that than they were in late 2017. Nearly 10 times less. Even if you know about Bitcoin now, you're still going to Google something regarding Bitcoin, right?
No. Well, yes.
So this is some of the clearest evidence we have that whatever buying is happening right now is likely done by the minority rich than the majority average. I hate to call us average, but I don't know how better to put that. This is not at all what people would have predicted. If this is what Bitcoin can do without the masses getting involved, imagine what it can do with them. The long-term implications of this are a little abstract, so forgive my indulgence here. What we could say about the implications of this long-term could be quite positive. The rich have very different time preferences than normies do for investments. If they're just patient while everyone else does all the scrambling trying to trade every day, it generally pays off.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker.
The Wall Street cheat sheet. It seems like a meme because it's been around a lot, but it's actually pretty good. You would be perfectly reasonable to predict with a very rare run like this. We are in the thrilled, if not euphoric stage of a market cycle right now. The exact moment of peak danger that occurs just before a very brutal turnaround. Are we really though? Again, this is somewhat of an abstract thing to talk about, difficult to quantify how people are feeling. One of the best market sentiment indicators, though, is how many people are betting that the market will go up, as versus how many people are betting that it will go down. You may have guessed, I am again talking about Bitcoin funding futures. December 2017, for example, a solid wall of people longing Bitcoin. That's euphoria. Currently, slightly bearish bias. Almost through the entirety of this run-up, imagine trying to short Bitcoin this past month.
Some men just want to watch the world burn.
You could argue a few reasons as to why they are doing this, but I feel the most important takeaway here is that what we are seeing is more indicative of disbelief maybe turning into at the 3-day chart here, Bitcoin has painted green, or in my case,